Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Today in this video I am telling about you Verizon Business Customer Service. Verizon Business Customer Service, please note that specific detail may have changed. Dedicated business support. Verizon offer dedicated customer service for business customer, recognizing the unique need and requirement of business. Contact channel. Business can typically reach Verizon Business Customer Service through various contact channel including phone, mail and online chat. Contact information is often available on the official Verizon Business website. Technical assistance. Business customer service provide technical assistance to address issues related to internet service, phone system and other business solution offered by Verizon. Troubleshooting. Verizon Business Customer Support assist in troubleshooting issues business may encounter, ensuring quick resolution to minimize disruptions. Account management. Business can manage their account and service through dedicated online portal provided by Verizon Business. Billing and payment. Customer service assist business with billing inquiries, payment processing and addressing any issues related to invoice. Service level agreement SLA. Verizon customer service is knowledge about the service level agreement associated with business plan. They can provide information about guaranteed service level, uptime and response time. Product and service information. Business can contact customer service for information about available product, service and any update or new offering from Verizon. Ordering and upgrade. Customer service support business in placing new order, upgrading service and making changing to existence plans to meet evolving needs. Account customization. Business can work with customer service to customize their account based on specific requirement, ensuring that the service align with their operational needs. Business continuity support. In time of service disruptions or unexpected event, customer service provide guide and support to ensure business continuity. Feedback and complaint resolution. Customer service handle feedback, concern and complaints from business, working towards resolution and improvement of service. Guys, if you are new at my channel, then please guys like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you guys for watching my video.